Welcome to today's hymnspiration and today's hymn, Praise My Soul, the King of Heaven. Praise My Soul, the King of Heaven was written in 1834 by the Anglican pastor and hymn writer Henry Francis Lyte, who is also known for writing the hymn Abide With Me. The text is based on Psalm 103 and celebrates God's mercy, forgiveness, and faithful love. More than 30 years later, the words were paired with the majestic tune Lauda Anima, composed by John Goss. Together, the text and tune have made this one of the most beloved hymns in the English-speaking church. As we sing, we join generations of Christians in praising God as the everlasting King.